guys, welcome to another episode of the Reliant Regal restoration. As you see in the last one, I got the chassis welded up, so today I'm going to get this front hub stripped down and the radius arm. I haven't checked what I'll do is just now to make sure you can see that kingpin should be okay. There's very little movement in it, so I'm not going to strip the hub off of the radius arm, but I'll get everything else taken off with it, ready to be cleaned up and painted. But I'll stick it on a time lapse and we'll see how this goes. And that's the front hub, all taken to bits. The front radius arm even. The drum's fine, it just needs cleaned up. I haven't checked the shock yet, but I'll make sure it is checked. Most likely it'll be knackered. I've never seen a good one that's came off our restoration yet. This is all stripped down as much as it's going to be. Quite clean anyway. Bit of greasy, oily rubbish from there, but that's not a problem. So that's just ready to be cleaned up and painted. And next I'm on to that one, which will be the next episode. But yeah, please like and subscribe to the channel, guys, if you want to keep up to date with the Reliant Regal restoration. And yeah, I'm glad that you're enjoying the videos as well, and I hope you are enjoying them if you have just joined in. Thanks for watching, guys, and please remember to like and subscribe.